this is Max from Discount Cutlery. I'm going to teach you how to use a can opener today. So on the can opener, there's a little hook here, and with most cans there's actually a little lip right under here. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to hook that hook into the lip. You're going to pull this blade as close as you can to the edge of the can. So with the first one, you're going to have to be a little bit firm, and the whole time you're going to be rocking it back and forth while you spin the can. If you liked this video, feel free to like and subscribe. If you'd like to get yourself one of these amazing tools, there is a link in the description below. We really hope that you tune in with us again next time at Discount Cutlery, and as always, have an amazing day.